So first, you're going to want to take one of these ball joint connectors and place one of these two-sided hooks on the bottom underneath it, and take one of these, put it here, place another, just a cheese loop on that, and connect it to one of those sides. Place one with only one of them on there and place it in the front, and then you've got the foot. To make the other one, you just do the opposite. So what you're going to want to do is take one of these Technic things over here, and then take a black stick, also, and then stick it into there, like so. Take one of these Technic ball joints with a pin connector and stick it down that stick. Put another one of those, put one of these onto there. It should snap in right, nice. Give you a nice firm joint. And then put one of the blue Technic pins over here. Make two of these and you've got the legs. First, you're going to want to take two of these in preferably a different color to add, well, more color. Place one 2x6 on top of them. Then you're going to want to take a 1x2 with a hole in the center. Place that on the front. Then place a Technic ball pin on the inside the part I just put on the front. After that, you're going to want to take a 1x1 with a hole in it. Take two of those and put those Technic pins on that. Leave a space because we are going to place next one of these. Place these on top of that to give it a nice, like so. And for more sturdiness, we are going to place a 2x3 brick in any color, just put it right here, nice and snug. Next, we are going to place something like this, which is actually just two of those 1x1s. You can actually use a 1x2 on this. You just place them right here on top of that. Then we are going to build something like this. So you take a 1x2 with two holes in it this time, and place two of these Technic pins, half and half. One of them side is the X part, and the other side is the circular. Place those in like that. Then you're going to take one with an X and one with an O on of these Technic pins. One goes one direction, one goes the other. Should be like that. You place them on here. And then we add it to our build right here. Continuing on from there, we add a 2x4 flat Could really be any color, it's kind of hidden. Place that on top of there. For the back tail, you're going to want to take one of these and place a 1x2 on one of the sides. Then you're going to want to take a 1x3 angled and place a 2x2, 2x1 with a little grabber on it. After that, you're going to want to take two of these and then place one of them on the pin like that, then the other one like that. So it should be one offsetting the other. Gonna place that like that. After that, we're going to take one of these tooth pieces, place that on the remaining spot that is orange. On top of that, place a 1x2 smooth. And on that remaining blue spot, you're going to take one of these pieces like that, place it there. Next, you're going to want to make another one just mirrored for the other side. I'm going to do this one quicker because it is just a mirror version of the other one. Next, you're going to want to take all three of these, then place them on your build, like so. After that, you're going to place two of these opposites and place them like so, leaving a little space at the end. They should line up with the orange. And then after that, we're going to take a 1x2, 2x4 flat, place that on top of the yellows, like so. Take two of these, place them on top like that. Then use a 1x4 smooth, place it there. And after that, place two of these. And for more stability, place this smooth part on the bottom. Next, we're going to want to build all the pieces together. You're going to want to take your 2 feet and then place the 2 legs on them. These should snap right in there. After that, put those into those sockets on the bottom of his body. Position it a little bit so that it's sturdy. Then add the wings, like so. And there you have it. I feel like we're forgetting something. Oh yeah, the head. First, we're going to start off with one of these. And after that, we're going to take two of those with a hole in them, all the way around. Place them on opposite sides, facing the opposite direction. So it should look like this. Then we're going to take another one of these and place it facing the down position. So it should look like basically this, having one of these on those side and that on the other side. Doesn't look like a head yet, but it will. Take a 1x1, just a normal 1x1 brick in yellow, place that on that, and then place a 1x1 flat, place that on that. I know this is tedious and boring, but place a nice little cheese slope in orange or any other color you want. Then you're going to want to take one of these new pieces and place that on the front one. After that, place another one of these, and you've got the jaw. After that, take two eyes. Bet you know what this is going to be. Place those on opposite side of the front parts. Then take two cherries. Place those on the ones on the back. After that, we're going to need something to connect the head to the body. So, take one of these, place one of those underneath it, and just place it 1x2 on top, smooth. And after that, take one of these, place one of those on top, 1x2, and connect those. After that, you can connect the head using that leftover piece right there. And then if we bring our body over, snap that head on, neck on, and we have got our cat.